Welcome to the Klasse in Sukhumvit Soi 19. This is a 3-bedroom apartment. The size of the apartment is 165 square meters or 1776 square feet. The rental price for this unit is 120,000 baht per month, based on a 1-year lease. This unit is located on the east side of the building, therefore you'll have the sunset coming in here. The buildings that you see here in front, this is all Sukhumvit Soi 19. The building that you see there with the golden spike, that's where you can find the Asoke BTS station and the Terminal 21 mall. This unit comes fully furnished and is ready to move in. But if you are looking to have an unfurnished apartment, that's also possible. All the furniture can be removed. There is a kitchen island, and the kitchen is equipped with an oven and a ceramic stove. So here we have the second bedroom, and the second bedroom has a private bathroom, including a rain shower. This is just one of the many units that we have in the Bangkok city center. Anybody who is interested in moving to Bangkok, feel free to connect with us. We are specialized in the higher end apartments. Just let us know what your requirements are. We have an extensive database of big units. The Klasse is just a 500 meters walk from the Asoke BTS station, where you will also find the Terminal 21 mall. The building offers free transport to and from the station. There is a maid's quarter as well here in the apartment. This part is used as the laundry area. This is the original maid's quarter with a private toilet as well, but you can also use it as a storage room. Here we have the third bedroom. The third bedroom does not have a bathroom. As you can see, there are 2 single beds, but they can be replaced by either a queen size bed or a king size bed, or it can be turned into an office. This room also comes with a TV, and the TV can also be placed into a second bedroom, but that can all be negotiated. As you can see, there's plenty of storage space. Here we have the powder room that would be used as the bathroom for the third bedroom. And finally, the master bedroom, which has a nice walk-in closet here and a private bathroom with a bathtub. A separate shower with rain shower. Yeah, this room also has a private balcony. If you're interested in renting this apartment, feel free to connect with us. Our contact details are on top of the video. You can send an email to info@sukhumvithomes.com, or you can send us a WhatsApp or line. We can help you in English. We kunnen in Deutsch helfen. Podemos ayudar en Espanol en ook in het Nederlands. Please send us your requirements and we will make sure that we will find you your perfect space in Bangkok. Khop khun krap.